Three-dimensional shapes, part 4. Today we will learn about the prism. These are the some types of the prism: rectangular prism, triangular prism, pentagonal prism, square prism. Like the pyramid, the name of the prism also depends upon the shape of its base. Here the base shape is of rectangle shape, so it is called as rectangular prism. Here this is the base shape which is of triangular shape, so it is triangular prism, and this base shape is pentagon, so pentagonal prism, and this base is of square shape, so square prism. Let's see one by one. This is the square prism, triangular prism, and the rectangular prism. This is the base. These prisms are placed here in such a way that we can observe the bases of the prism. So this is the base of the prism which is of square shape, and this is the bottom of the prism which is also of square shape. This base of the prism is of triangular shape, and the top also is of triangular shape. This base shape is also a rectangular shape, and the top is also rectangular shape. That's why square prism name is given, triangular prism name is given, and the rectangular prism name is given. So in the pyramid we have learned that all standing faces are of triangular shape, but in the prism this is the standing face is of rectangle shape. In triangular prism also the standing face is of rectangular shape, and in rectangular prism the standing face is also of rectangular shape. So in each type of the prism the standing faces are of rectangular shape. And one more important thing is that the top and the bottom face, or any two faces which are parallel to each other, are identical, means of same shape. Triangle, top and bottom, square, top and bottom rectangular shape. Understood it? So this is the pentagonal prism. This is the top and this is the base part. So these two are of pentagonal shape which are identical, and these are the standing faces which are rectangular. This is the hexagonal prism which has the top face hexagonal shape, bottom face also hexagonal shape, and these are the standing faces which are rectangular in shape. Understood it? It may come now. The pentagonal prism has how many faces, how many edges, and how many vertices? Let's count. This top face has 5 vertices, bottom face has also 5 vertices, 5 corner points, correct? So 5 plus 5, 10 corner points, means 10 vertices. Now the edges. Top face has the 5 edges, 5 sided figure, pentagon. Bottom also pentagonal, so again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and it has also 5 heights, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this backside 15. So 15 edges. Now how many faces? Top face, bottom face 2, and the 5 standing faces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 faces, 15 edges, and the 10 hexagonal pyramid. See, 10 vertices, 15 edges, and the 7 faces. This is the hexagonal pyramid. Now it has the top face hexagonal, bottom face hexagonal. Now we will count first the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same way bottom 6. 6 plus 6, 12 vertices. Now the faces, top face and the bottom face 1 plus 1, 2, and the standing faces again 6 are there. How many sides? 6 sides. So 6 standing faces. 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 faces are there. Now the edges. See, the 6 sided figure means 6 heights will be there. So 6 heights, and these are the 6 sides of the top and the 6 sides of the bottom. 6 plus 6, 12, plus this 6 height means 18. Total edges are there, 12 vertices are there, and 8 faces are there. Understood how to count it? Now this question or table is given in your textbook. Write the number of the faces, edges, vertices of each shape in the table. This is the cylinder. Here this cylinder is the open cylinder because here shaded part is not given. It shows, the shaded part shows that it is closed. That's why here one face only we have to mention, that is curve face. If it is closed, your answer will be 3 faces, 2 flat circular faces and 1 curve face. But here your answer is 1 curve face. Correct? And for the cone, 1 curved and 1 flat face is there. Now, and the 2 circular edges. Cone has 1 circular edge and the 1 vertex. Now the pentagonal pyramid. It has how many faces? As I told you, the shape of the base will tells you about the faces, the vertices and the edges. It is very easy to remember. As the shape is pentagonal, then 5 standing faces plus 1 bottom face. Correct? So 5 plus 1, 6 will come here. Then same for the vertices. 5 vertices of the bottom and the apex one. 5 plus 1, 6. Now the edges. 5 heights and the 5 sides of the pentagon. 5 plus 5, 10. Like this you can count in the exam also. Now the hexagonal pyramid. Faces. 6 standing faces, 1 bottom, 7. Vertices. The 6 vertices of the base and the 1 apex. 6 plus 1, 7. Now the edges. 6 edges of the bottom face and the 6 heights. 6 plus 6, 12. Now top face and the bottom face are identical and of hexagonal shape. Correct? So this has the top face and the bottom face, and as it is the hexagonal, 6 standing faces are there plus these 2, 8 faces are there. Now the same vertices, top hexagon has the 6 vertices, bottom hexagon has the 6 vertices. 6 plus 6, 12. And the edges, as the shape is of hexagonal shape, the top has the 6 edges, bottom has the 6 edges, and the 6 heights are there. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18 edges. It is the pentagonal prism. So the top face is pentagonal, bottom face is pentagonal, and the 5 standing faces, 5 plus 2, 7 faces are there. Vertices. Top face has the 5 vertices, bottom face has the 5 vertices, so 5 plus 5, 10 vertices are there. Now the edges, the top face has the 5 edges, bottom face has the 5 edges, and these 5 heights. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. So this is all about this lesson. Understood it?